Hi, Jonathan. Thank you so much for your poems this week. I wanted to congratulate you, first of all, because these prompts, I think these are the longest poems that you've submitted so far in this class, and I know that that was something you mentioned that you were struggling with is lengthening your poems. So I'm glad this worked for you. Um, I really like. The fact that you sort of titled each stanza stop zero, stop one, stop two, stop three. I don't know if that was intentional for you um, to leave that those notes in the actual poem that you created, but I really like it. It's sort of this repetition. I know we had talked about repetition a few weeks ago. This repetition really works well for me. Stop one, stop two, stop three, stop four. It makes me feel like I'm walking beside you on this hike. I love the details that you're including on each of them. Um, I love that there's a progression happening. So I think that this first poem is really successful. And I would encourage you, if you want to keep writing poetry and express yourself, to maybe carry a notebook around and experiment with this. If you're, walking 6 or 7 blocks to the grocery store or walking 6 or 7 blocks to an event or to a friend's house, and what you might observe as you're walking, because this is really excellent work. Um, I think with the second prompt, exploring new territory, I do think that this language that you use with this prompt is very creative. I like the sensory detail and the imagery that you're including. Um, and I would encourage you on the next edit to dive even a little bit deeper into the descriptions that you're offering. I love the first stanza. Even places so familiar can sometimes feel so foreign, so new, so new. Um, so when you say again, it seems new, and then, but this seems new. Each place is unique, unique, right? New. These are the words that you're using over and over again. I like the repetition, but I want to hear more about that. What seems new about this pool? What seems unique about this experience? So if you can figure out a way to describe that and then include some of those details in your poem, I think it would enhance this one. Thank you so much for your poems this week. I look forward to seeing where you go with these edits.